Hi everyone, welcome to What's Buzzing Doc, where we talk about real stories behind the white coat. This is brought to you by Bewits Review and Tutorial Services. I'm Dr. Mao, and every week we feature doctors and medical students who will share what it really takes to survive, thrive in medicine. Joining me today is someone whose journey will surely inspire future doctors out there. She's a proud graduate of Chinese General Hospital Colleges and a newly licensed physician who just passed October 2025 board exams. Now, please welcome my co-host, the ever-energetic Dr. Katrina Garcia. Mag-hi ka naman sa ating mga subscribers, Doc.
Hi everyone. Hi my TFC subscribers. I'm Dr. Priniji or Dr. Princess. Nice to meet you all.
So, Dr. Princess, no? Ito na yung pinakamahirap mong tanong na sasagutin. Bakit
Okay.
princess? Kasi 'di ba, Katrina anak ka. Bakit daw
Yeah,
princess?
actually, ang daming ang nagtataka na my name is actually Katrina. Sorry guys, but that's actually my real birth name. I've been named Princess ever since I was a little girl kasi I have four older brothers. I'm the youngest. And then when my mom didn't have an ultrasound to find out if I was a boy or a girl because she kind of gave up on the fact that ay baka lalaki na naman kaagad ayoko na masad. So, when she gave birth super out of nowhere, it was a girl. So, wala silang naayos na name at that time. And my cousin was there. Her name was Katrina. So, ended up, they named me Katrina as well. Basically, that's what I heard. And when we went home to my lola's house, my lola got mad and she said, "Ha, but Katrina yung pangalan mo? Dapat princess. Because she's a princess of the family." And ever since, that was my name. Princess at home, in school, ever since kinder to grade school to high school to college to medicine. It just became Princess or Prinny in short. I think that's about it. It's kind of weird for me because I try to look back and be like, especially when I started out college, I was like, maybe I should go with Katrina, but wala, it's weird. It's weird. It's my name, but it's weird. I feel like it's very formal. And that's one problem I was thinking of because how am I going to go by with patients? Actually, I had my first duty yesterday. It was awkward because I was like, hi, ako po si Doc Kat. Sino si Doc Kat?
Para ibang tao na. May alter
Ayun
ego
tao.
ka pala eh, 'no?
Pero, oh yeah, but at the same time, I was just like, I'll let it go. Maybe let's see what goes better. Doc Garcia, Princess, Doc Kat. But
Baka in the
yeah,
near
that's the
future,
story.
baka gusto mo magpapalit ng pangalan.
Oo nga eh, pero
Pwede. Kasabay ng surname.
oo, yun lang. It's
Anyway,
funny.
balik tayo sa
Mhm.
simula, no? Nursing
Okay.
muna. Kumusta yung
Sorry.
experience
Yes.
mo as a nursing student? Paano nakatulong to sa'yo nung nag-med ka?
Mm, nursing was very fun. It was very difficult, but all of the subjects were very difficult. My classmates, it was my first time being in a co-ed school because I come
Hmm.
from an all-girls school, Poveda, and when I went to UST for nursing, first off, I was kind of shy because it was co-ed na, ang dami ng people. But at the time, I learned to thrive. It was difficult. The subjects were difficult, but what I liked the most is that we always had duties. Ever since second year,
Oh.
may duty na kami sa hospital. And I feel like doon ako mas magaling makausap ng tao, maka-care, and you learn by doing stuff more than you learn for books. For me, I think as much as you keep reading and you keep reading, syempre there are smart people, pero iba pa rin yung makaka-learn ka from your patients. Kasi kapag may ma-learn ka, nagsistay talaga siya sa utak mo. So, yun ang
Yeah.
pinaka nagustuhan ko sa nursing. Kasi ever since second year, pataas ng pataas, talagang pa-level up yung how you deal with patients. Parang from first, second year sa ano lang. And then kapag magkakaroon na siya ng special areas, third, fourth, and fourth year, finally, you go inside the room na by yourself. And yun pa yung mga patients are like, hi, ako po si nurse, ganyan. So, yun, masaya siya. Nursing was very fun, fulfilling, and it has a lot of subjects that could help with medicine.
Yeah. Alam mo ba, for
Mhm.
me ha, nung third year kami, or nung fourth year rather, ang galing ng mga nursing na makipag-usap sa patients. Kasi kayo talaga
Mm,
yung may patient care since nung pre-med pa talaga. And at the same time,
yes.
kunyari may code, alam nyo kung nasa nakalagay ang crash cart. Kayo lang yung may alam kung nasan yung mga gamit. Meanwhile ako,
Mm.
asan ba to yung ganito? Asan yung ganito? Minsan napupunta na lang ako sa pantry. Wala na. So, anyway, at one point,
Oo.
Dr. Princess, you actually
Yes.
shifted from nursing to performing arts, no? Bakit mo naisip
Yes.
mag-theater muna instead of finishing your school right away?
Well, that is a fun fact about me. Actually, my love forever has been performing. But
Mhm.
due to my family being a family of doctors, I was inclined to that path. And ever since I was young, alam mo naman, after high school, you don't really know what you want. So one of the
Yeah.
things that I wanted was nursing. Kasi nga, it's a good pre-med. It's the best pre-med. So I was like, okay, let's do nursing. But in the middle of it, I grabbed this opportunity where I can audition for a school in LA. And I auditioned. Akala ko ba I did it in secret. I took a video and I put it on a CD pa. As in yung DVD.
Grabe, CD
And then
pa.
I sent it through LBC. Tapos, I went out, parang magto-third year na ata ako nun, tatakot pa ako na baka hindi ako pumasa ng second year. Biglang, tumawag si mama, I was in Baguio with my brothers. Umiiyak siya, sabi niya, "Teo, Teo." I was like, "What?" Ay, may iba pa pala akong name. Anyway, she was like,
Ang dami ng pangalan po. Yes po.
sabi niya, "May malaking envelope na dumating dito."
Wow.
Tapos sabi ko, "Ha?" Alam mo yung mga movies when you watch Gossip Girl, ganyan, they have these big acceptance letters. So may dumating na malaking acceptance letter na she was just like, "How did this happen?" Ganyan. So yun, I was afraid that they wouldn't let me go talaga because you let your unika iha fly away to a country that
Yeah.
nobody is. No, you're alone. Everyone is here. And I was the only girl. I'd leave pa. Nagulat ako that they let me. And they let me. I think they believed in me. They were proud. They were happy. So it was exciting. And then yun, what I did there, I did a year of studying kind of performing arts, where you have dance class and singing and everything, stage performance. And afterwards, we would audition to go on casts that travel around the world. So basically like Lion King and all of these
Wow.
classes, ganyan. And then after that, you'd be in a different city every 3 days teaching kids and also performing at the same time. And that was my life. I lived off of a suitcase for a year and a half or so afterwards. And a bunch of my teachers and everything there worked for Disney and the Grammys and all of that
Wow.
stuff. Yeah, so I was kind of like inclined to that life already. I was ready. I was excited because I went on tour in Germany, in Japan, and all over the states also. But then I had to go back. I had to go
Mm.
back because first off, I also wanted an extra I wanted to finish nursing,
Okay.
and they were going to change the curriculum of nursing, so I had to come back. Otherwise, if
Hmm.
I came back a bit later, I'd have to start over at first year.
Okay,
So
okay.
yun, I was highly encouraged to go back. So I left everything with a little broken heart, but it's okay.
Oh.
I came back and then I finished nursing. And after nursing, I ended up taking medicine. So that's that. It just kept going. And I'd like to think that was a very blessed opportunity that I had and I lived. And I'm so happy that I was actually able to do something that special in my life.
Yeah, oo nga, eh.
Yes.
Alam mo hindi ako magaling kumanta, pero idol kita, ang galing. Kasi from tours tapos tinuloy mo nursing, 'no, yung family mo is very supportive of you, 'no? Mag-isa ka lang
Yes.
talaga doon sa States nung nagtu-tour kayo?
Yes, oo.
Paano
Parang
mo
I had
nakayanan
ano,
yun?
I don't know. I feel like I'm a very open person, a live person. Like I love doing new things every second. Kasi parang we had homestays every 3 days. I had a
Hmm,
different family. I lived in a different city every 3 days. Parang kunwari, let's give it. Parang now I'm in Manila. It's
mm.
Wednesday. By Friday, Saturday, I'm in Baguio.
Iba
By
talaga.
Tuesday, I'm in Zamboanga. Ganun, tas puro iba family, tas masaya. Tas you learn
Oo.
different languages. That's why I can speak Japanese and a little bit of German, yung mga ganun. Pero, okay naman, okay naman. Bumalik ako. It felt like I was back. It felt nostalgic to be back.
Ang
But,
galing.
anyway, I'm here. I am me now, and I think it's amazing.
Oo nga, iba-iba
Mhm.
talaga yung mga storya ng doktor, 'no? As in hindi mo makikita
Oo.
na linear path sila, eh. Parang 'pag present
Mhm.
sa'yo 'pag during presentation, isang straight lang 'yan, 'yan.
Mhm.
Okay, ito ang kailangan mo kapag fifth year ka na, ganito, ganyan, ganyan.
Mhm.
Pero in every doctor, iba ang case, 'no? Iba ang storya, iba
Yes.
ang struggles na na nangyari sa kanila. So, okay, after 'no, bumalik ka sa Pilipinas, nag-nursing ka ulit.
Mhm.
How was your
Mhm.
NMAT naman? Did you have struggles in your NMAT? Kasi syempre, nanggaling ka
Yes.
sa tour. Hindi ka naman siguro nag-review ng NMAT sa tour, di ba? And then, syempre, you have to
Oo.
finish nursing pa. So,
Mhm.
anong ginawa mo?
Yeah, and actually, I came back. It was a little bit difficult to come back. First of all, I was a bit older than my classmates na.
Mm.
So it felt like I was more mature. And at the same time, I wasn't too excited about going to med school. So taking the NMAT was kind of a struggle for me. I didn't fully take it seriously the first time I took it. And basically I just studied the thing that they gave, the packet that they gave, maybe like a week. So I wasn't completely ready. And I was thinking, ay, baka maganda naman yung foundation ko. Kayang-kaya yan. Sabi nila, ganun-ganun lang. But anyways, my score wasn't so good. It was a little bit below what was needed for what I needed or my goal. My first NMAT, I wasn't prepared at all. I wasn't able to fully study because, yun nga, my mind wasn't there yet. My mind wasn't in medicine. I just wanted to finish nursing and go. But also at the back of
Mm.
my head, I'm like, wait, parang masaya maging doktor.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So medyo I took it. I took it seriously in a way, but also not so seriously. I studied the packets that they gave, and I thought to myself, madaming basic knowledge lang to. The things that I think I already have a good foundation on from school before. When I got it, I was kind of surprised when I got my results. I was like, "Oh man, this is not what I want. This is not it yet."
Yeah.
It was very saddening at that point, and I said, I have to do better. I took it as a challenge. I was just like, maybe if I tried more, I tried a little bit better. I'm not this bad. So then I went to a review center with my mom. My mom was like, we have to do this. I have to help you. Whatever you need, I'm here. So I went to a review center and I had one-on-one training or one-on-one teaching. Shout out if you're listening. But you helped me. You changed my life. In that sense, I felt like I was a very difficult student. My attention span is very short, but with her help and her perseverance and my perseverance, I was able to get something I thought I would never get. I was like, talagang
Wow.
opposite yung score ko na parang, ay, talaga palang kapag merong tamang mentor, aayos ka. Kahit gaano kababa
Sumakses.
tingin mo sarili mo, talagang aakit siya. Na parang, ay, shucks, matalino din pala ako. Like, kasi ako, I'm a very average student. We were striving, like, even if doctors kami, sakto lang. Basta okay kami. Hindi kami
Okay.
naging super honor people. Pero at that point, I was just like, oh my God, pwede pala ako mag-honor. But yeah, yun. I think with a good mentor and a good focus, you can do anything. Anything is possible.
Yeah. So
Yes.
marami talagang nakaka-experience na mababa talaga sa una. So you have to retake, no?
Oo.
Actually,
Yes.
according to CEM, no, unlimited
Mm-mm.
retakes, 'di ba? Sa kanta ng
Oo nga,
Wicked.
unlimited pala ang retakes, no?
Sa kanta ng
At
Wicked,
grade 1 pa
sample nga
lang,
diyan,
nag-end up
doktor,
na ako.
yung unlimited
Unlimited.
ni Elfa ba?
Unlimited.
Unlimited retakes pala. So, ikaw
Yeah.
bahala. Ang best time talaga is when you are
Mm-hmm.
prepared to take the exam already. So,
Yes.
ayun. So, tapos na yung NMAT, nakuha mo na yung gusto mong
Mm-hmm.
NMAT score, NMAT PR. So, pagdating
Yes.
sa med school, syempre, ibang challenge na naman yun. No, kunyari
Yes.
nursing, tapos, hala, med school na. Ano yung mga biggest struggles mo during med?
Med school was completely different. It was crazy. Parang, kasi hirap na sa akin na nursing before. Ay, hirap na hindi. Parang sakto lang. Kaya mo pa rin, you can still go on with life without super studying. Med school was different. There was no day that I wasn't studying. Tapos parang, yung perfect description of how I think about it is like, yung buong nursing, isang ano lang yun, parang isang sem lang ng med school.
Yeah.
Yung pagpasok mo, aga ka papasok, may pre-test, may post-test, yung lunch break, exam din, tas pre-test, post-test ulit. Pag-uwi mo, sisimba ako, tas iiyak ako, tas manligo ako, tas mag-aaral ka na ulit for the next day. It just kept going and going and going. And then especially when it became online school, online med school was so much more difficult because there was a
Yeah.
difference of having it in person versus online. Sure, we have the comfort of just waking up and being like, open the camera. Like, iba yan eh. Iba yung feeling ng, iba kasi nagko-commute. Iba, you have to take an hour to go to school. You have to shower. You have to groom yourself. You have to look okay. As opposed to getting out of bed, late na ako. Ganyan, video ka na lang. Tas, dire-diretso. Online kasi pwede ka makatulog.
Yeah.
Pwede ka maka...
Yan ang struggles
Tapos
talaga
'di
eh.
ba? tapos na yung recitation mo, ano ka na, chill-chill ka na diyan sa side. It's so different from in person. Talagang you have to be on 24/7, pero you can fall asleep din naman. But the thing is, the difference I think that made it difficult for me to have online school is that it felt like you were alone.
Yeah,
That
iba yung may
feeling of being
kasama kayo,
alone.
eh.
Kasi iba yung pagpasok mo, hindi ka nakatulog, tas yung katabi mo, "Ay, hindi din ako nakatulog," or "Hindi din ako nakaaral." Yung may
Parehas
gano'ng
kayo ng
vibe.
sufferings.
Oo, kasi lahat kayo malungkot na masaya. 'Di ba lahat kayo pagod, pero kapag ano, pumasa ka naman parang lahat ng pagod mo mawawala. Kaya nga nung dati nung online pa ay nung face to face magpa-party kayo, tatlo lang ang mga nagse-celebrate diyan sa party.
Sino, sino?
Yung isa, yung pumasa sobrang saya yan, inom na inom yan, ganyan.
Magpapainom pa,
Tapos yung
magpapa-shot pa yun.
Oo, sigaw-sigaw yun. Yung second dun, yung saktong pasado lang. Yung saktong
Sakto-sakto
pasa
lang.
sobrang saya, hanging by a thread. Tas yung isa dun, yung sobrang baksak. Umiinom din yun kasi
Siya yung
pumapasa.
pinakalasing.
Oo,
Siya yung
tas lahat kayo
pinakalasing.
lasing, lahat kayo masaya lang, tas the next day, aaral na naman kayo. As in the end of the day, after all of these struggles, everyone will make it. Everyone will become doctors. And we will all learn to heal people. And it'll be nice. No matter how long your journey is, no matter how short, at the end of the day, tawag sa'yo ng pasyente, Dok,
Oh,
hindi naman, Dok,
yes.
ilang years ka? Dok, cum laude
Anong
ka ba?
grade mo
Dok,
sa ganito, Doc? Ay,
'di ba? Naku, yung
tatanungin din
kilala
ng
kong
pasyente.
doktor, mataas sa fisyo, ikaw. 'Di ba? Parang gano'n. So, parang, at the end of the day, lahat tayo magiging doktor. Talagang iba-iba ang path. Humirap tayo nitong online, sasabihin mas magaling yung mga face-to-face doctors. And I don't know, we also have something that they don't have, 'di ba?
Yeah,
We
totoo
all will have
talaga.
something different. Mhm.
At ngayon 'no, ngayon kasi
Mhm.
parang may hybrid pa rin 'no. It's giving
Mhm.
accessibility sa mga doctors na kunyari, wala, nasa conference, tapos yung
Yes.
students nila siyempre nasa Pilipinas, magha-hybrid learning
Mhm.
sila through Zoom. Pero eto na talaga 'no, physical na, face to face
It's
na
the
talaga
norm.
lahat.
Yes.
Minsan lang magiging online 'pag siyempre hindi, physically available yung doctor. Pero
Mhm.
basically, andito na lahat. Balik na tayo
Yes.
after pandemic, pre-pandemic, it's the same setting na. So marami talagang ups and downs 'no sa mga students. Talagang maraming nahihirapan sa kanila. Pero tulad mo, naging doctor din until the end 'no.
Yes.
So Doc Princess, actually kung alam ng lahat 'no, si Doc Princess ay isang licensed physician lang. Kakapasa na lang this October 2025. Grabe, congrats, no? So,
Thank
paano ka
you, thank
nag-prepare
you.
dun for the board exam, Dr. Princess? Any tips para sa aming magbo-boards pa lang ngayon, this coming March?
Actually, the board exams were probably the biggest struggle I've had in my life. It really put me in my lowest and in my highest at the
Mm.
same time. So, what I did after my internship, I took the boards right away.
Oh,
So, I
okay.
only had 2 months to study as compared to the batch before us. They said that the batch before us had like a week more or something. And for the boards, it feels like every second counts. Masaya ako na nag-aral ako kasi I was with a friend and we would study every day together.
May study
Like yung may
buddy. Oh.
Oo, you need kasi I needed a study buddy at that time. I feel like my study skills aren't at par with other people. I feel like I need someone to take account or help me while I
Yeah.
study. Yun. So, may nakausap ako na co-intern ko, ka-group ko sa internship. Sabay kami nag-aral at that time, every day, na parang kung siya tulog, ako gising. Kung ako tulog, siya gising. Para may tagagising sa amin.
Wow, good
Oo, yun.
strategy.
Oo, good strategy. Yun ang nangyari. We both took at that time kasi yun ang sinasabi ng lahat kasi that's where everybody takes their exams. And I felt it very overwhelming. It was so much to study, but also I feel like I needed to know everything. And every time I took all of panoorin ko lahat ng videos, natatapos ko siya. Pero hindi ako masyadong nag-exam. Yung mga test that they make you do, you're supposed to take it. I took it a couple of times, pero parati akong nadidismaya sa score ko. Basically, nakaka-stress na parang sobrang dami kong inaral. Tapos pagkatingin ko ng score ko, 20 out of 100, 40 out
Mm.
of 100, yung mga ganyan na parang sabi ko, ay, ayoko na masyadong mag-exam. Basta nag-aaral ako. Feeling ko, aral lang ako ng aral, hindi ako masyadong nag-exam. And kunwari, I'll answer the questions. What I would do is just, I'll pick one question lang and then I'll read it. I'll look at the answer. Ay, mali. Ay, mali. Never ko siya dinerecho. And
Okay.
I feel like that's one thing that's really wrong with what I did. Yun ata yung mali. Parang aral ako ng aral, pero marunong ba ako mag-exam?
Yeah.
Yun,
Iba
yun ang
talaga,
nangyari.
no?
So sadly, I didn't make it on my first take. And for some reason, that exam was very difficult. I don't know if the people in my batch could say the same, even if they passed. Parang it was a very wild card exam na parang magtataka ka, may mga matalino na bumaksak, may mga hindi masyado na pumasa. Kasi parang bonus eh. Parang hindi ko maintindihan, but I don't wanna blame whatever. Basta I tried my best and it was not good enough. In my thoughts, I would think, oh my God, how sakit, 'di ba?
Mm.
Eh, ako lang yung bumaksak sa family ko. So
Mm.
parang I took it, but at the same time, I was very sad, but my parents never made it appear that they were mad at me. They never
Wow.
said, you're such a disappointment. Walang ganun. Parang they were just there na parang, sige, go lang, take again. Just go, take again. So ako naman, okay, take again, take ng second time. Pero nung second time na yun, I can fully say, I don't think I was prepared. My mental
Mm.
health wasn't that good. I was parang there was this feeling na lahat ng friends mo nauna na, ganyan, tas ikaw
Mm.
nandyan, you're doing the same thing. I took the same review center because I thought na parang, maybe if I repeat it, it will be easier and I'll remember everything more. But it came to a point na parang, ay, alam ko na to, ba't pa ako makikinig?
Yeah,
Ganon.
okay.
Eh, hindi ko naman talaga siya alam, parang gano'n. And the same time, yung mga exams, gano'n na naman ata yung ginawa ko, hindi ako masyadong ready at that time. Tapos there was this one teacher who told me na kasi
Mm.
madaming times siya nag-take ng board, siguro 6 times, na sinasabi
Mm.
niya sa'kin, "You shouldn't take the boards if you're not ready, but you will
Mm.
never be ready." So I was like, "What is
Ang
this?"
gulo, ang gulo.
Confusing, 'di ba? Pero ang kuwento niya sa'kin, nung nagbo-boards daw siya, nagdo-doodle siya sa exam paper. That's
Okay.
when she knew, hindi dapat siya nag-boards that time.
Okay.
Nagdo-drawing siya, eh, parang hindi siya focus. And to my dismay, at that time, nung nag-boards ako, nagdo-drawing din ako. Kasi parang first page, second page, wala akong alam. Yung
Hmm.
wala kang alam na parang mapapanghinaan ka na ng loob. Everything is foreign. I'll see something one page na parang naisip ko, 1 year na ako nag-aaral, ba't wala pa rin akong alam?
Okay. So,
Super,
anong ginawa mo
super,
after?
I was very sad. And yun, yung time na yun, medyo I had to consult yung mga ganyan, what to do, what's next
Mm.
for me. And yun nga, nung second, naiwan na naman ako ng friends ko. So, pababa ng pababa yung moral ko, basically. And I was thinking how to continue, how to live life. How can I say hi to my friends? I wanted to hide in a shell. I wanted to be alone. And thankfully, I still had one more friend who would go and take the exam with me. And we decided
Okay.
to take it together. And I switched into a different review center.
Okay.
And this different review center that I had approached the boards in such a different way that I didn't think would help me. But my God, it was opposite talaga, opposite. Kasi for someone who doesn't have such a good foundation of med school, I feel like I needed a review center who would make things simpler for me. And
Mm.
this review center, parang lahat dumali. Parang lahat kasi parang dun sa kabila, they assume that you know these things already. But here, they assume that you've forgotten it and you need the basics. And they teach you in a way na super, super exam-based, samplex-based lahat ng exam nila, ay lahat ng turo nila. Kaya dun, tapos nung end ng review time ko na yun, talagang for 1 month, everyday ako 3 times nag-e-exam. Kahit ano,
Hmm.
lahat ng exam, paulit-ulit, iba-iba. Kahit mali ka, kahit 40 ka lang, kahit 50 ka, aakyat na aakyat yung score mo. Kahit iba-iba yung tanong, meron siyang parang same eh. Magiging same
Mm.
siya. Kaya, yun, ang taas ng score ko! I third try.
Congrats!
I was
Iba,
like,
iba.
what? Who is this? Akala ko ako si Doc Mau.
Grabe ka naman.
Hindi,
Well,
pero
good.
yun,
Mm.
super taas kasi yun, this new one, that's what I'm saying talaga. You have to find your mentor. You have to find
Yes.
someone who will teach you and you need talaga yung tamang test-taking skills. Test-taking skills is the most important thing that you have to learn for the boards. You think Samplex? Ay, Samplex, hindi. Samplex is important. Not
No.
because you will memorize it. You don't take the Samplex like how you did in med school. You memorize the questions kasi yun ang lalabas. Hindi, totoo,
Agree,
di ba?
agree.
Kasi syempre
Totoo.
may question bank yan eh. Ang dami-dami namin. Alangan naman, everyday tayo gagawa ng bagong exams. May question bank. Ang
Mm-mm.
boards, hindi siya Samplex in a way na uulitin yung exam. Pero Samplex in a way na if you know the concept, really truly know it, uulit-ulit yan.
Mm-mm.
And lahat ng
Yes.
exam concept talaga, you understand. You understand. You don't memorize, you understand. And if you understand, you will go places.
Yes.
So,
Gra- Grabe no,
yun.
doktora. So, kapag pipili ka talaga ng review center mo, dapat piliin mo yung credible, yung mga nasubukan na,
Mm-mm.
and would really
Mm-mm.
fit your personality and lifestyle.
Yes.
No, dapat
Yes.
hindi tayo pumili basta-basta na lang, no? And
Oo.
iba rin eh, kailangan talaga i-take mo yung exam na prepared ka na talaga. Dapat
Mm.
hindi ka nag-aalinlangan, dapat ginawan mo talaga ng paraan and na masasabi mo sa dulo na you did your best, no? So ngayon,
I
Doc,
think like yeah,
mm,
I think like once you decide on a review center, kasi syempre there are different types of people. Like there are
mm,
people who are okay with just reading. Read lang all of the
mm.
materials, tas magaling. May iba na kailangan may nagtuturo.
Yes,
May iba
oo.
na kailangan nag-e-exam. Tas lahat yun iba-iba ang score. Parang you see what's fit for you. And at that time, what's fit for me pala is the last time I took it. Okay siya, magaling. Okay talaga. Naisip ko, ay, nabalikan ko si Mas Bianca at that time na parang, ay, bumalik yung magaling na teacher. Kailangan ko lang ng
Mentors
magaling na
talaga,
teacher na talagang
yeah.
makakatulong sa'yo. Papasok sa ulo mo na habang nag-e-exam ka, naririnig mo yung boses niya na parang, naku, ba't yan ang sinishade mo? Mag-isip-isip ka diyan. So, parang gano'n. So, yun, kailangan talaga mahanap mo yung for you at saka sinasabi ko sa inyo, kahit sino man, kayang-kaya mo yan. You just have to don't stop believing in yourself. Even if you're super low,
Yes.
you think that's it, wala na, there will always be a rainbow after the rain. Like,
Alam mo,
it
ang
will
nakikita ko
happen.
sa'yo, Doc, no, ang daming mga importanteng mga mentors, no, na
Yes.
na-experience mo, na nakausap mo, na nagturo sa'yo,
Mhm.
na basically humubog talaga kung ano ka na right now. And
Yes, very
and
thankful.
yeah, ngayon, alam
Mhm.
mo ba si Doc ngayon,
Mm.
syempre sa gabi, ano yan, talk show host, pero sa umaga, ang daming mga racket niyan. So ano pinagkakaabalahan mo ba ngayon?
Actually, I just got my license like two
Yes,
days ago.
okay.
And today, I worked for the first time. Oh my gosh. So, nag-ano muna ako. I'm doing moonlighting at the moment.
Yeah.
So I started this morning. I just did dialysis from 7 to 12. And
Mm-mm.
actually 73 dapat siya. Tapos biglang natapos kami ng 12 and I was on my way to the car. Biglang may nakita
Mm-mm.
akong post, may needed daw na corporate doctor. Sabi ko, "Ha? Kaya ko ba 'yun?" Eh pinindot ko,
Mm-mm.
nag-mine kaagad ako.
Mm-mm.
Before I knew it, I was in a whole big corporate office by myself as a doctor. And at that point, sabi ko, "Oh my God, ano ba ako? Sino ba 'to?" Tapos sabi ko, maghahanap ba ako ng mga notes, ganyan. Lahat ng binasa kong notes at that time, takot ako, baka may dumating na patient. Pagdating ng patient, wala sa binasa ko, yung tinanong niya sa akin.
Mm-mm. Grabe
And
ka.
And to my surprise, ang saya ko kasi nasagot ko siya with just thinking na parang, "Ay, nakasagot ako." Nag-drawing pa ako sa paper. Sabi ko,
Wow!
"Ganito yan, sir. Ganyan,
Iba
ganyan, ganyan."
talaga.
Nag-drawing pa ako. Sabi ko, "My God, this artist." So,
Singer na,
nag-drawing pa
writer
ako.
pa, draw.
Tapos binigyan ko. Tapos na nung umalis yung patient, huminga ako ng malalim. Sabi ko, "Oh my God, doktora na pala ako." Sabi sa'kin ng nurse, "Dok, gaano na katagal nagmo-moonlight? Ang galing niyo naman."
Kanina
Sabi ko, "Oh my
lang.
God." Sabi ko, "It's my first day."
Iba si Doktora, iba,
Yun.
iba.
So, nakakasaya naman na parang puwede pala yung gano'n. Tapos
Yeah.
nun, That was yesterday. And syempre, nagkaroon na ako ng bayad for the first time in how many years of my life. First time ako ano ulit. Tapos I treated my parents today. So it was cute.
Wow!
It wasn't big kasi hindi naman siya parang residency
Oo.
na I have
Mm,
70,000. I
yeah.
just had a few thousands. And sabi ko, kain tayo, simple lang. Tapos kumain kami
Oh,
we just ate a burrito and I got
oh,
them these little fluffy pancakes and they were so happy.
oh,
So it's a good day. I had a good day today because I finally gave back to them. Iba pala yung feeling na parang you worked for something and then you just gave it to them. Na parang I don't know, it was good. It was a good day. So I can't
oh.
believe I've reached this point. Kasi dati pinapaginipan ko lang 'to, iyak-iyak ako. Sabi ko, hindi mangyayari yun. Ayoko na, hanggang dito na lang. I mean, like, you're gonna make it, guys. And
Yes.
living proof that it can happen.
Kapit
It will
lang kayo
happen.
diyan, yes.
Yes, you make kapit talaga. Sobrang kapit na talagang ganyan-ganyan na lang pero
Gano'n na lang,
gaganon ka
eh,
din
gano'n na,
diyan.
gano'n.
Ganon na lang pero you will see the rainbow, I promise.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a pot
So
of gold there.
So sa
Mm.
mga gusto malaman 'no, ang moonlighting, ang synonym niyan sa Tagalog is racket, rumaraket ka.
Mm.
It's a path
Racket.
na hindi ka muna nag-residency, pumupunta-punta
Mhm.
ka muna sa mga clinics na mag-i-invite sa inyo or yung mga naghahanap ng doktor. That's moonlighting.
Mm.
I think sa English kasi pinagkuhanan niyan parang it's a part-time job or a second job, rather than
Mm.
your main job. So ayun yung pinaghugutan. Maririnig niyo yan 'pag naging doktor na kayo, maririnig niyo
Yes.
yan. Maano yan, masakit sa tenga, moonlighting lagi yan. Moonlighting, moonlighting. Hindi, mag-moonlighting muna ako, hindi muna ako mag-residency. So,
Yes.
yun. Lagay nyo na sa vocabulary niyo yan, sa dictionary niyo. Anyway, eto na, ang ating
Yes.
last question. Mapapaisip ka
Okay.
dito, I think. So,
Mm.
lastly, no, in 5 years, saan mo
Mm.
nakikita ang sarili mo? Both as a doctor and as princess?
Oh my gosh.
Hirap.
Oh. Okay, actually, hindi ko nga akalain na makaka-moonlight ako in the first place.
Mm.
And I can say that the world is really, you can never predict your future. Pero the first thing I wanted to do before, nung clerkship pa lang ako, gusto ko mag-OB. Parang ang saya kasi
Oh.
magpaanak, tas ang sarap ng thrill, yung excitement. Tas I love it kapag maglalakad yung mga buntis. Tawang-tawa talaga ako. Ang dami-dami nila, tas ang cute-cute. Tas parating galit yung mga doktor, pero mabait pa rin sila. And
Yes.
it will, I feel like it's such joy bringing out new life into this world. But after internship, after ganyan, after taking all of these stuff, I was thinking, ay, nakita ko may yung life na emergency, yung mga sa gabi, gagawa ka
Lagi
ng
kang on
ganyan.
call.
On call, parang sabi ko, I think it's about time na hindi ako masyadong toxic sa life. So maybe I thought about all of my other options, and right now I'm kind of leaning towards ophthalmology or dermatology. And I'll take it next year after just 1 year off. I'm trying not to moonlight very long because I also want to specialize. I feel like it's very essential to specialize. Moonlighting is fun and good for the soul and the heart,
Mm.
but I think I want to specialize as well. So
Yes,
that's where
no.
I'm thinking, but also at the same time, in 5 years, that's a short but a long time. I'm thinking, I'm also thinking of auditioning for some musicals and stuff here.
Yun.
I've learned that we can have like little small roles. Tas ang saya, nandun ka sa Resorts
Yes,
World
iba
or
talaga.
whatever. Hopefully, but we have to focus on now. I'm just happy that I can give back to the people who have been helping me, who have been behind me this whole time. Na parang when I chose to give up on myself, they were still there pushing me. When I thought that it was time to just lay down and be finished, they pulled me up. They stood me back up again. And for them, I will keep pushing. I will keep striving. And yes, we will do better. Thank you to everyone, my mentors, my parents. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo. Salamat talaga kasi I would not be where I am today without them. I mean, yung
Yes.
papasok ka, tapos sasabihin sa'yo ng guard, "Good morning, doktora." Ay, naku,
Yes,
kilig na kilig
ganda.
talaga ako. Ang simple-simple nun, pero alalang-alala ko
Iba
first day of
talaga.
clerkship. Kasi first day of clerkship namin,
Naka-white
face to
uniform.
face, from online to face to face.
Mm.
Lakad ako, takot na takot ako, nakayuko pa akong gano'n. Tas
Wala
sabi
kang
sa akin
ID,
nung
no?
guard, oo, sabi sa akin nung guard, "Good morning po, doktora." "Ah, good morning."
Iba si
So
Doktora
anyways,
Princess.
masaya kasi at that time, masaya ako pero there was a point talaga na parang, "Ay, ayoko na mag-doktor, hindi ako yun." Tinatago ko talaga yung mga scrubs ko, tinago ko na sa cabinet ko kasi akala ko di ko na siya gagamitin ulit. And the day has come that I am using them again and
Yes,
yes,
kasha
we can
pa.
do it. Kaya yan, kasyang-kasya.
Hindi
But
na
yeah.
kasi kasha yung akin eh. Anyway, alam mo maganda
Yes.
yung point mo kanina eh, no? Ang sabi
Hmm,
mo na gusto mong mag-theater ulit. Siyempre,
mhm.
family, anak ka pa rin ng family mo, ng parents mo, no? Siguro it's a reminder for us na hindi lang tayo basta doktor, no? Tayo rin
Yes.
ay isang anak, no? Tayo rin may
Mhm,
gusto tayong gawin. Katulad mo, gusto mag-theater. Ako, gusto kong magturo. Hindi lang
mhm,
tayo nalilimit na isang doktor lang, no? Marami pa tayong roles na gagampanan. And in the future, baka mas marami pa. Siyempre, hindi lang naman mga pasyente ang kaligayahan natin. May mga iba
mhm.
pa, no? And grabe, what an inspiring story, Doktora. Iba,
I
iba
like how
talaga.
I like how you said that. Yung actually yun nga isang point na I forgot I could say na parang we have our dreams as you know na parang ay napilitan mag-med and all of that stuff. But at the end of the day, I feel like I needed to give that back. I needed to do
Yes.
what they wanted before I will do what I want. And natapos ko, nagdoktor ako. So now I can do what I want. The world is not over. And at the same time, they gave me my chance before. I gave back to them. And now it's time for us all to live happily. So, yun,
Yes.
whoever's struggling, whoever's scared that your time won't come, your time will come. Your time will
Yes.
come and it would feel so much better because it's something you've been longing for. And you will get that MD. We will all be colleagues and we will see each
Yes.
other all on the other side.
Oh,
Ah.
yung mga nangangailangan dyan, comment down your GCash. Bahala na daw si Doctoria Princess sa inyo. Total siya ang
Teka,
may
magsisimula
racket.
tayo.
Sa umaga, nagmo-moonlight yan. Sa gabi, nagto-talk show yan. Iba din. May tatlo ata pamilyang binubuhay nito. Anyway,
Me,
so eto na
myself, and
yung
I.
ito na
Okay.
ang pinaka-fun part ng ating segment, no? So, Doc Princess, it's time
Yes.
na ito yung pinaka-paborito kong part sa show natin eh.
Yes.
Babaguhin na natin yung pangalan. This is now called Buzz Talk. Ang version natin ng
Buzz
Fast Talk,
talk.
no? Buzz Talk na siya. So, you've got
Okay.
1 minute to answer as quickly as you can. So, ready ka na ba, Doktora? Ready ka na ba?
Ready.
Yes, you were born ready
Ready.
talaga eh. You were born ready na. Okay. Okay,
Are
your
you
timer
ready?
starts now. Okay, breast
Okay.
pre-med.
Nursing.
Best med school.
UE.
Scores sa NMAT.
99 plus.
Advice advice you'd give your NMAT taking self.
Sample exams.
Describe med school in one word.
Life changing.
Night out or study out?
Night out.
Huling iniyakan mo.
Yung pagkapasa ko.
Wow. Favorite snack?
Chicken. Oh,
Go to
chicken.
drink.
Water.
We. Go to drink na alcoholic.
Tequila.
Showbiz or non-showbiz?
Showbiz.
Favorite character na ginampanan mo?
Nala.
Wow, lights on or lights or lampshade rather.
Lampshade.
Sorry, ano po tayo wholesome. And lastly,
Ah,
coffee or chocolates?
chocolate.
Yes,
Chocolate.
wholesome na
Yes.
wholesome po tayo. Congrats po kay Doktora
Thank
Princess.
you.
Now, for
Thank
our
you.
last segment, our very own last segment, no? Do you have
Mhm.
any advice for our buzzing viewers out there? Yes,
Our
viewers na
viewers,
po sila.
our viewers. I think, speaking from what Doc Mao said yesterday, never give up. Never give up talaga. I feel like your day will come. And if you dream hard enough, if you work hard enough, you will be able to achieve it. You know, when they say God, with God nothing is impossible. Sure, you really pray talaga every day. You have to offer it to God because you need someone there to watch over you. But at the same time, you can't just offer it all to God. Kasi ako nung una talagang dasal, rosary, ganyan. Pero syempre, nung hindi ako pumasa, hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na, ay, hindi ako mahal ni God. Like, of course, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So you have to work hard for it. The reason why it's so hard is because being a doctor is not easy. So we will work hard. You
Yes.
have to work hard. You have to do your job. Um, you really have to focus, lock in into those 2 months or 6 months wherein you're supposed to take the exams. And wag ka mag-alala kasi lahat ng inaaral mo, naaral mo na yun dati. Refresher na lang siya. Naaral mo na siya dati. You will refresh yourself. Obviously, it's very difficult, but don't forget all the things you've learned in internship and in clerkship. It will really come in handy. Nagulat ako. May mga ibang tanok na alala ko, ay, yung residente ko, ito yung tinuro sa akin. So, everything that you learn in the hospital, I feel like, is what really matters. Yun nga, sabi ko, mahilig talaga ako sa in-person learnings. Pero, yun,
Yes.
based on just studying, you have to make a habit. You have 15 days to make a habit. So, you have to start your day. In the last take I had, I woke up at 4 o'clock every day. I woke up at 4 o'clock. I had soup in the morning. I did a little 5-minute exercise. I went out and touched grass. I said
Wow.
hi to the world. No, really. I felt like I needed to see the plants a little bit, a little sun, because after that, the whole day you're inside. You're
Mm-mm.
inside, you're studying. Start na yon. Umpisa ka, mag-exam ka, makinig ka sa lecture, tapusin mo lahat yon sa gabi, uulitin mo. Tuloy-tuloy, every day, ganun. Na you will really have to have a good support system who will understand na you are busy. And you'll have your parents who will always feed you. But at the end of the day, you need to, hindi siya time to diet, hindi na naman siya time tumaba ng sobra. Pero chill ka lang, mag-aral ka talaga kasi at the end of the day, you will reach miles. And kahit super hirap, kahit super babanting mo sarili mo, gagaling ka. You will pass it, you will take it. I am living proof that I never gave up
Yes.
and neither should you. Don't give up because it will get there. No matter how low you think, you will get there. You will cross that bridge, you will reach the rainbow and reach the pot of gold. Yes, you will make it, we will make it. Yun lang naman. And find a good mentor. You need a good mentor. Yun talaga.
Okay,
Mentor,
tama.
mentor, and
Yes.
exams. Yun.
And that's it, no? No, so thank you so much, Dr. Princess. Grabe,
Thank
sobrang
you so
amazing
much.
and inspiring ng story mo. Kakaiba. Sana na-inspire and I know na-inspire din lahat ng ating mga viewers out there sa
Hopefully,
mga kwento
hopefully.
nyo. No? From struggles to success. Kasi 'di ba, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang path. And what matters is where we keep going on. Now,
Yes.
tapos na natin i-share ang stories natin, no? Ibig
Mm.
sabihin, time na natin para sa mature roles. Ready ka na ba sa mature roles mo, Doc Princess?
Ready, ready.
Parang di pa siya ready. Anyway, so for our next set of episodes, magkakaroon tayo ng mga special guests every week. We'll feature
Mm.
their NMAT and med school stories at sigurado marami kayong matututunan at may inspire ulit. Kaya stay tuned guys. Again, ako si Mau.
At ako naman po, si Doc Princess. And this
And this
is
is What's Buzzing
What's
Dog.
Buzzing Doc? Bye.
Thanks for listening. And if you want more conversations like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an episode.
We release more conversations, insights, and stories that will help you navigate the NMAT, med school, and everything in between. See you on the next one.